Hello guys, tara samahan niyo ako puntahan ng mga historical place dito sa Naga. Ako nga pala si Angelo. Tara. As you can see, nasa harap tayo ngayon ng Universidad de Santa Isabel.
The Universidad de Santa Isabel is one of the most historic landmarks in Naga City. It was founded in 1868.
Hi guys, nasa harap tayo ngayon ng Metropolitan Cathedral dito sa Naga City. Isa sa pinaka-old at pinaka-historical place sa Naga.
The Metropolitan Cathedral in Naga City was built in 1843. This cathedral is dedicated to Saint John the Evangelist.
Hey guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Naga City para bisitahin ang Plaza George Berlin. Dito ako ngayon.
George Berlin is the first Filipino Bicolano bishop of the Roman Catholic Church. He was born in Bao Camarines Sur in 1850 and died in 1909.
Hey guys, nandito ako ngayon kung saan located ang Quincy Martires dito sa Naga City.
This plaza is honored to the 15 martyrs of Bicol who were executed on January 4, 1897 for their involvement in the Philippine Revolution against the Spanish colonial rule.
Hey guys, tayo naman ay nandito sa harap ng San Francisco Church.
It is one of the oldest churches in Bicol region, built in 1578 by Franciscan missionaries, and it also witnesses a significant event over the century.
Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa harapan ng isa sa pinaka dinadayong simbahan dito sa Naga, ang Basilica.
The Basilica was constructed in 1976 and was completed in 1981. It was consecrated in 1982 and elevated to a minor basilica in 1985, making it the only basilica in the Bicol region.
Dito tayo ngayon sa harapan ng Peña Francia Church dito sa Naga.
The Peña Francia Shrine is constructed in 1711 by Miguel Lourdes de Cubarrio Villas. This shrine is the original home of the revered image of Our Lady of Peña Francia, affectionately called Ina by devotees. It served as the primary sanctuary for the image until the completion of the Peña Francia Basilica in 1980.